Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline will solve your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. And if you want to join us in Telegram or Discord, now there is no free member anymore. I will put for you a link down in the description of that video. If you want to join us, to know how to join us, there is some procedure. Go and read it, it will tell you everything. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today another sideways market here. All the whole day the market being here sideways. Yes, it make a big move then like that all the whole day. And even if we zoom it here, as you see, there is nothing changed. A indecision candle, another indecision candle here. So there is nothing yet here in the daily. And in the daily also we still waiting the break where it's going to have to be up or down. And the Bitcoin or the bulls of the Bitcoin, they still holding that level here. They don't want to leave it, and that's what I told you. I told you if it doesn't get broke down here or it doesn't get broke up here, there is no entry. I'm talking here about long term. Yes, for day trading and scalping also every day we enter, and today we enter 2 trades. I make very nice profit from them. And yesterday we enter, after the video we enter a long. If you watch the video, we'll have you enter along with us. Also we can it in our Telegram and in our Discord. I'm sorry for those ones who haven't joined us. Now if you want to join us, you need to pass through some procedure, or you can even pay our Patreon like that. It will be easy for you. Our Patreon is not expensive. It's only $10 for a Bitcoin, $10 per month I'm talking about here. So here for long term there is nothing yet. The market is showing here sideways, and now also we are going to 1 month. Also we are sideways here. There is nothing new here, so we need to wait in maybe till next month. Then maybe we're going to see a move either up or either down. Till the moment there is nothing new here. And another thing here, let me show it to you. The moving averages here, everything is looking perfect here. The 50 moving average is crossing above, then the 100 as you see it here. Everything is looking perfect. The 200 is down here. So everything is looking perfect. The only thing, the Bitcoin, there is no power to push up. So we need to wait until the market breaking either up or fall down here to that level here. And also we're going to buy some Bitcoin from here if it fall down here. So everything's still looking the same, guys. There is nothing yet. And another thing, let me show it to you. If you remember, guys, last week what I told you about that 2 levels. By the way, for people that just came now, that 2 levels is the levels of the options. We put them like that and down here like that. By the way, people they like to trade in with bots. They can make in that 2 levels, that one here and that one here, and to draw a grid between them like that, and to make the Bitcoin like neutral between that 2 levels. If it go up, you're earning. If it fall down, you're earning. So I think picture is too clear. I'm just give you ideas here how to trade the Bitcoin, and you're going to make money. Now for that week, let's go in to see where is that 2 levels where they are going to be for the coming week. So let's go in there as every week. Here we are, guys, over here, that the page where we're also getting that levels. So let's search in now where is the pot. I found the level which is here as you see it. The level is it at 25k. That the level which is down. Those people here, they thinking the Bitcoin is going to fall down. People of option, they know what they're doing. They are not amateurs there. They are professional people over there, because options, they are very dangerous for amateurs. So those people, they know what they're talking about. They're showing here the Bitcoin lower level is going to be 25k, so be careful about that, guys. Now let's search in now for the calls to find where is the level. The level is it here at 33k as you see it. The pots here are 0 and the level is it here at 33k, and the calls is 797 Bitcoin. That's when those people they thinking the Bitcoin it will not cross above 33k all the week, and it will not fall down below 25k 2k all the week. So let's go in now to the chart. We're drawing the two levels together. So let's go in there. We said here the first level here at 33k like that, as you see it, and down here we said 25k like that. As you see it, guys, what it done, that the view for those people, and those people, they are not amateurs, as I've been talking about. Level here at 33k, the down level here at 25k. So them, they thinking the Bitcoin, it will not go higher more. Maybe the Bitcoin, it will fall down more than going up. That's the view of them. And me personally, I'm thinking till the monthly candle finish it, then maybe we're going to see a move. All that month, we are not going to see any move. Maybe the Bitcoin is going to stay just here in that level. Another sideways market. So let's wait in till next week. Then next Friday, we're going to come and to see the Bitcoin, what it do. But till now, it's showing to us the market is going to stay here sideways. So you see that two levels. For people they using bots or future bots, you go into your broker, depending on which broker you're using, you put the top level at 33k and down at 25k, and you created a grid depending on how many numbers you want and how much capital you have, and you put it neutral between those levels, and you're going to earn money, guys. That's another story. I can explain it to you if you want me in a video, but now here also we focus it just about the option. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Here, when we break in that 200 moving average, we said it. And as you see it, now the market is showing to us he couldn't break it above. So there is nothing new here. Plus, one other thing very important here. Let me show it to you. Me, I tell it to you, and I repeat it thousands of times. I told you that level here for swing traders to enter short. That one here. If we break it down here, enter short. And for the long, I told you, I give you another signal yesterday, but it's okay to repeat it for you. Here it is, the signal I show you yesterday. That wage I showed you yesterday, and you find it even on thumbnail of the video. I told you if it's breaking above here, we enter what? Long. If it's breaking down here, it's going to break even that channel. If you don't enter short, that man, you don't know what you're talking about. Everything is too clear, guys. You just focus it to enter long if it's breaking above here. If it's breaking down here, that's when the Bitcoin is going down to 25k or 27k. So be focused about that, guys. So till now here for swing trading, we don't got nothing new. We need to wait more. Only thing for swing traders I got, you waiting that wage where it's going to be broke. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, there is nothing new as you see it. Being down here, only in a bear market, there is no bulls. But the good news here, even we are in a bear market, those bears, they don't got power to push the Bitcoin to fall down more. As you see it, all of them, they are flat here. There is no power to push down. So there is nothing new, and every time they pushing down a little bit, the Bitcoin is go back to that wall here. Yes, there is no bulls to push the Bitcoin up, but the bears, they are very, very, very weak. They still have a war, and no one want to sell. That's normal because Bitcoin is based on long-term investment. Those smaller day traders and those things, those ones, they will not move the market that much. It's need big whales to start selling, and big whales, they just accumulating Bitcoin. That way, me as saw any drop is a very good opportunity for you to buy. Me, I'm talking here about long-term. Swing trading, there is nothing clear, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing. Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. Level us, we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. I showed it to you before. The only thing now we need if the Bitcoin is breaking here. If we break in that level here, you need to enter long. Remember that. If we break in that level here, you need to enter long. Profit of you, it need to be up here in that top of that wage here. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us guys. You know that channel with how you can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes yesterday we give you here. We told you we got here a cup and handle here. Like that. Told you we breaking here, interlong. It's breaking here. The market it fall down, yes. But look at it till it went up till here. Also we make the stop loss down here. It doesn't being hit, and today we make very nice profit. And today also from here we enter a short till down here. Why we enter that short? I'm going to show you why. Because look at it here. What you got? You got a up channel, guys. You see it or no? That up channel, we touch the top of it here. We enter a short tail down here. When we touch in here, we take the profit. Now us and me personally, I got a long order now because me, I'm thinking the Bitcoin it will go up till here, till it will touch in here, and it's going to break that wage we got in 4 hours. And I'm not going to close my long order. That's the first thing. That's for the long. For the short, we got something else here, guys. Look with me here. You got here a head and shoulder. You see it or no? The neckline of it, is it here? That one, if it's breaking down here, in that level here, look at it. You enter what? Short. So for the long, what you got? For the long, you got this. Let me show it to you again. For the long, you came to that one here, like that, and you do it like that. You see that trend line, how I draw it or no? From here and here. If that one came and breaking above here, enter long. That for the people they haven't entered with me. For people they are in my Telegram and my Discord, I'm not talking with you. You just enter with me. We enter from down here. For the short, that trend line here, that one here, or you can even make it like that. If it's getting broke down here, a candle that man, a candle to come like that and to close below that level here, you enter short. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator is saying also we enter here to the overbought area. So technically also we need to look in for short, yes. Level also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Should we enter short? Tell the price action, tell us that. The price action we got here, that head and shoulder, I just show you here. If it's breaking the neckline down here, enter short, guys. For the long, I just show you how to enter long. Everything is too clear? So that's it for that video, guys. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.